get paid to post articles or get paid in cryptocurrencies to post articles. This website is Web 3.0. These are next generation of website where you're gonna get paid to post articles. These are cryptocurrency in value of dollars. So this person posts articles and this article earned them $12. So they earn cryptocurrency then equal whatever the cryptocurrency they earn, that's equal to $12. If you post more articles, you earn more money. You can see these are different people post articles and get paid in real time, guys. In this video, I'm going to show you what is this website, how to set it up, and how you can post these articles. Even better, I'm going to show you the way that you can write the article without writing it. So if you don't want to make any videos, you don't have to. Just copy and paste some articles here and you get paid for that. So I'm going to show you how you can do that. Before I reveal the website and how you can set it up and how you can make money online, all you need to do is support my channels by subscribing my channels, liking this video, leave a comment what kind of video that you want to watch in the future. This website is called leofinance.io. This is a Web 3.0 website where you can join, create content, and you can earn crypto. Then you can convert that crypto into actual money. But on this website, you need to be very careful. You can't post anything that you want. So if you join this website and you can post article on weight loss or how to make money online, this is similar, but again, weight loss or the fun gadgets, something like that. You can't post those kind of contents. This website is solely focused on cryptocurrencies and related content. So you can post about crypto, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Hive, Leo. These are the different type of coins, and blockchains, technology, news on crypto news, analysis on cryptos or NFT. These things that you can post article about it. So because this website is only built for that kind of content. So don't post random content and expect to make money online from this website. It will never going to happen. Only post a relevant content like crypto or NFT or similar to that topic. So basically, this website is a social media meet a Web 3.0. It's a next generation of website. This market value is around $2.2 million. So basically what you're going to do is content creators on Leo Finance in Leo token, which is equal to whatever the money that Leo token is going at the moment. Leo token reward for publishing blog posts about crypto and finance. So you only create a content around crypto and finance, then you only get paid for that. Content is stored on Hive blockchain, which means that it's both immutable and censorship resistant. As a user receive upvotes, they gain more reward on the proof of stake basis. So every time you gain a upvotes, you earn a Leo token. If you stake that Leo token on their website, and you gain more rewards. Basically, when you get the Leo tokens, and if you withdraw that money, you only get small amount of portion. But if you stake it, means you keep it on the website, and you can earn more rewards, guys. If you want to know about Leo Finance and how that is work, you can go to the About Us page and you can read about everything. So on Leo Finance, how we can join it up? All you have to do is click this one called Get Start, and they give you three options. Create a Hive account. So if you have a Hive account, Hive blockchain account, you can use it that to create, or MetaMask or Twitter. I used sign up with a MetaMask. So click this one called Sign up with a MetaMask. Now here, you have to create a new account with it. Simple and easy. Follow the steps, and you have to create a new username, and they give you a 12-key password. So you have to remember that or write it down on a paper, because every time you use that to sign in, otherwise your account will be lost, and whatever the money that you earn, it will be lost. So follow the step and you create the account with MetaMask. It will automatically use to sign in with Leo Finance. After you install the Google Chrome extension of MetaMask here, create an account. This is your account and this is your ID. You have to hide that ID part. And this is because MetaMask is basically on Ethereum. So basically you can transfer from Leo coin to Ethereum, then you can transfer it to your bank account, something like that. Because I don't know that part well, because I'm still earning money from Leo Finance. When I do the payout, I will make a video. So but basically, you have to create a MetaMask account which enable to create an account with Leo Finance. That you can see people are posting articles every single day and they are earning money. So you can see this person posted $3 already. 10 hours ago, $6 already. So you have to be more present and you have to build your audience. Like you do any other social media, you need to build your audience. So basically, if you click his icon, then you can see this person already have over 1,000 followers and he already following 1,000 people. Now, these followers tend to give you upwards, that will be gain more rewards, and every single post that you make that enable to make money here. So you can see this person post article every single day and they are making money over $3 to $4 per articles, guys. Now I'm going to show you my account, which is this is my account. I already post one articles here. I don't have any followers and following. I need to build that up. Now you can see this is one of the posts I created on my YouTube channels. So this is a YouTube video. If you want, you can add your own YouTube video. This is a basic picture and basic simple articles, which is around 3 minutes of reading articles. There you can see I already have one like, but again, if you start to build more upwards, I get more rewards. Now I'm going to show you after you create your account, it's going to look like this. So you're going to click this pen icon here. This is where you're going to create your blog post. So this is the back end. So if you type anything here on here is look different, but here this is the preview or the thing that the people going to see on Leo Finance. Now I'm going to show you how you can write an articles around crypto or finance or NFT. So all you have to do is go to Google and search for crypto news, something like that. Now, this method is for the people who can write proper articles on finance or crypto. If you can write your own articles. For other people, what you can do is go to Google and type crypto news, and there's a bunch of websites about crypto news every single day. So all you have to do is find the one that you are interested in to rewrite that content. So one thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna write an article about NFT. So this is the article I found. I just gonna copy this article. Now I'm gonna go to this website. It's called rewritertools.com. Here you can rewrite your articles, rephrase the tool. So you can use the rephrasing tool to change the articles, article spinner, grammar checker, and word counter. This tool is completely free. All you have to do is click this one, article rewrite, copy and paste your articles, and click rewrite, and it will take a couple of seconds to rewrite that articles for you guys. Now as you can see, it will rewrite it automatically. You can click next, and this is the final version of your articles. Now you're gonna click copy, and you're gonna go to Grammarly or Word document or Google document. You're gonna copy and paste that. This is a previous article I made it. Now this is your article is ready. That you can see this is around 347 words and 2171 characters. Now you read through these articles, make little bit changes, add some keywords, and after that what you're gonna do, you're gonna click copy, and you're gonna go back to your Leo Finance account, which is this, and you're gonna post it on here. Copy and paste, simple. And you're gonna cut the title here. You're gonna cut that and you're gonna put it as a title on here. Now you can see, like WordPress website, they have everything here. So you can bold the letters, highlight it, you can add bullet points, you can add a link, affiliate link if you are promoting any crypto or finance website. You can add image, you can say upload image. So you can upload anything, any image that you want. Go to Google and type NFT. After that, click tools button and click user rights, and you're gonna select Creative Commons license. And these are the images that you can use it for free without getting copyright claims or something like that. You're gonna open the image, you're gonna click and save the image into your computer. Go back to the finance website and say here you want to insert image. Click the cross button on here, click image, upload image on here. This is the image, like that. Your image is uploaded on here. After everything is done, you're gonna click this one called publish. In this page, what you have to do, you have to click this one to add tags. So you can select the tags. These are the tags that you are already put it on your previous post. So you can select those one. Also, you can add the new ones like NFT and crypto news, something like that, and get money, make money online, something like that. And you're going to click save tags. And the reward section, I already go with the 50% at 50%. I'm not sure about these things. I will let you know in the future if I learn anything about it. And after things, beneficiary is only me. If anyone collaborated with you, you can add them, add their account as well. Also, reblock this, I don't want to enable that because this is all the rewriting content of different news. I don't want to get into trouble, so select no. If you have a Twitter account, you can post it on Twitter account by clicking yes, otherwise no. And you're going to click this one called publish now, and that's it. Your post is published on Leo Finance. So if you go back to your account, click your account, and you're going to click post. So it will say 0 on the draft. If you click published, there's a 2 article published. So if you click blog, and there's a 2 article that you published on here. This is how you're going to make money on Leo Finance by posting articles, free articles. All you have to do is post simple articles on crypto or finance, build up your audience and followers. The upvotes that you are getting, the more upvotes you are getting, you're going to get more rewards, and that will pay you real money to your post, guys. Then gather up all the posts and you can make money easily every single day like these people are doing. So go to this website, I put the link in the description, check it out, create the free account with it. It's gonna cost you 0. Just try it out and let me know in the comment section, guys. Until then, have a good day. See you next video, guys.